One Pinkwood here. This is a 2003 Mazda Protege 5. I have a slow leak in this tire. It might be about 0.5, half a pound a day, if that, but like once a week I gotta fill it up again. It's really kind of a pain. Tried to fix it, couldn't. It's not a bent rim or anything like that, just a really slow leak. I'm gonna try putting some slime in it. I'm gonna take a basic procedure is to supposed to take out the valve stem, so all the air comes out. That's supposed to be in the top half, and then put the slime in, and then put the valve stem back in, fill it up with air, and drive it around for a little bit. I'm gonna actually take it off the car. Doesn't really call for that. I'm gonna take it off the car because I don't want, if all the air comes out, I don't want the bead to unsit on the rim, because then I'm screwed and I gotta take it to a shop to get it put back on. So I'm hoping that if I take it off the car, it doesn't have any weight on it, that'll be less likely to happen.